Welcome to our quick explainer on artificial intelligence, or AI. AI refers to computer systems that mimic human intelligence, enabling machines to learn, reason, and make decisions. Generally, we categorize AI into two types: narrow AI, which specializes in one task like voice assistants, and general AI, which aims to perform any intellectual task a human can. Now let's talk algorithms. These are the step-by-step instructions that AI uses to solve problems. Some popular algorithms include neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain, and decision trees, which help in making informed choices. AI has countless applications, from healthcare diagnostics to self-driving cars and personalized recommendations on streaming platforms. However, as we embrace AI, challenges like ethical concerns, job displacement, and data privacy loom ahead. It's crucial to navigate these wisely. In summary, AI is transforming our world, and understanding it can empower you to be part of this exciting future. Thanks for watching.